excited. You ready?
Tell them what you're doing.
Tell who what I'm doing.
The camera.
I'm unlocking a door.
Whew.
Stuff's still here.
This is our pretty house. This is where our new refrigerator and stove will go. Dining room.
Boxes.
We could use those to move.
I know. This is fun. You know what I forgot to do is I forgot to draw that. What the stove plug-in is supposed to look like. Hopefully it works.
This is our living room.
What is it?
Ow.
What is it? What makes that noise?
This right here. My shoe got stuck on the other side and I went to pick it up. This is our dog, Gretty. Gretty, say hi to the camera. She hit her face on the mirror.
Did she? Get away from there, Duke. That's how we gotta clean
Come
it.
on. It's alright.
She's never seen a
She's never seen
image of
her.
herself.
Not in a mirror. Good.
What is that? Who is that, Greg? Watch out. Watch out, Booger. Alright. Upstairs! This is the handrail we have to take down.
Hey, come in.
$225 handrail.
Huh.
Real nice.
Looks about like $15. Come on.
Come on. Jesus, she's excited. Here, you go upstairs. I'm going to see if I can figure this out.
Duh, blah, blah, blah. The office / area that will be dining room or something. Window. The dog. Where are you? What is it? What did you find? What is it, Greg? What do you smell? Oh no! Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh yeah! She's really excited. This is spare bedroom. A little small. Not bad. The dog is running around crazy sniffing stuff. Master bedroom. All of the rooms have these sliding glass doors like that. Not really liking it, but take those out. This is out the front window. As you can see, the front yard and the garage and driveway. There's what's that? Come on. Go see what that is. Bedroom number 3. Ooh, it's kind of chilly in here.
I can't take the handrail off because they use the